Ovo je treći deo zadatka koji sam danas postavio. U pitanju je engleska varijanta, odnosno zadatak radimo na engleskom. Zadatak neću čitati, samo ću odraditi na engleskom jer je vrijeme ograničeno. Most important thing when it comes to organizing questions such as these is to set up the equation the right way. And I'm going to show you how I did that part here. It says 4 years ago, which stands j minus 4 is equal m minus 4 times 3. Because we have a distributive property here, we have to multiply this as 3m minus 12, because we multiplied here, is equal j minus 4. And now we have to subtract 4 on both sides because we have variables and the numbers on both sides, so we want to make things a little bit easier for us. So we want to isolate and separate the variable on one side for j, and there's a reason for that. So this is the first part of the problem. It says that 4 years ago, this was happening 4 years ago, but in 3 years, this is what will happen. And I expressed that j plus 3, which means in 3 years, is equal 2 times m plus 3, which stands for the same thing. Jovan and Marco in 3 years. This is what is going to happen. So we also have to multiply here because it says 2m plus 6, which is a distributive property. We apply distributive property, we multiplied, and we got 2m plus 6 is equal j plus 3. Now we have to subtract 3 on both sides because it gives the numbers on one side and variables on the other. In this case, we only have the variable on the other, which is very, very important for this particular reason. Because we know we're talking about the same person, j, I like to write that j is equal j, because it implies that we're talking about the same person. And I express j as 2m plus 3, which is equal 3m minus 8. Now we're going to subtract, or we're going to add 8 on both sides. I put minus by mistake, but it says here plus, so we are adding 8 on both sides. And once we finish that, that says that 2m plus 11 is equal 3m, which gives us the answer that m is equal 11. Well, if m is equal 11, that means that j is equal 2m plus 3, which is 25. Hope this helps. If you have questions, you can write things below this video. You can write comments, and if you have a different way to solve this, make sure you write that in the comments as well. Znači, ukoliko imate drugačiji način da rešite ovo pitanje, možete upisati u komentarima. Ili ukoliko imate pitanja, možete ih postaviti ispod ovog videa. Vidimo se uskoro. Prijetno.